If you want to learn about billing and commissions in the Syspro sales order module, then this tutorial is for you.
This tutorial will include the following: splitting sales commissions, billing status flow, and lastly, adding a billing sales order.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at billing and splitting commissions in the Syspro sales order module. So let's get started. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, and we're going to go to sales order processing, and we're going to click on sales order entry express. Okay, and we're just going to make the screen bigger, and we're going to go to order maintenance, and here we're going to browse for an order. So we're going to click here, and we're going to select the order, and we're going to come all the way down to split commissions, and here we're going to enter the salesperson code. So let's browse for one instead. So as you can see, Tony sales code is 100. So we're going to select Sandra, which is 101. Okay. And here we're going to enter the commission percentage. So let's just say 5. And then we're going to select the second salesperson. Okay. And we're going to select, and again, we're going to enter the commission percentage. Okay, and we're going to then save, close the program, and that is how you split a sales commission. I hope you find this tutorial informative. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue with the tutorial. In Syspro, a billing is used when a customer order needs to be processed immediately. Rather than generating an order acknowledgement or delivery note, a billing allows for the creation of a sales invoice right away. When an order is entered, it starts with a status of 8 to invoiced. Once the invoice is printed, the status changes to 9, order complete, marking the order as finalized. This process ensures a quick and efficient handling of urgent orders. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, and we're going to go to sales order processing, and we're going to go to sales order entry express. Okay. Just going to make this bigger again. We're going to come here on type and change this to billing. Okay, and here we're going to enter the customer code or browse for one. I'm going to say yes. And we're going to click right here to add the order line. And here we're going to enter the stock code. So A100. We're going to tap off, the description will populate, and here we're going to enter the quantity, and we're going to tap again, and there will be a pop-up on the screen right here, and we're going to allocate the bin location. So here we're going to scroll for a bin location, and we're going to select, okay, and we're going to say add to list, and we're going to say yes. Okay, we're going to continue with the order line, and we're going to select price override. This is when we are selecting a different price from what is in the system. So to say 345, and we're going to tap off, and we're going to tap off to the next order line, and we're going to tap off to enter the stock code. So A103. Tap off. Okay, going to tap off to enter the quantity. Going to say 5. Tap off. Again, this message will pop up on the screen so that we can allocate the bin location. Okay, and here we're going to browse for a bin, and we're going to select, and we're going to click on add to list, and we're going to say yes. Okay, and we're going to tap off. Okay, again, we can override the price. So 345 again. Okay, so when you are done, you could either select save order and print document, or you could just save the order and end without printing. So because the printing process takes time, I'm just going to save and end the order without printing. Okay, and we're going to say yes. And we're going to close the program. And that is how you add a billing to a sales order. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.